Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, June the 20th, 2019. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. So we have already passed through the Fed's FOMC meeting, and they've been sounding dovish. And it's not just the Fed; everybody else, the World Central Bank, is trying to cut the interest rate and trying to kind of weaken their own currency against one another, which is kind of interesting. So far it looks like the indices is happy with the news after the Fed's meeting and the speech by Mr. Powell, and is interpreted as okay. Well, it's going to be low interest rate stimulative environment, so it keeps going higher. So right now, guys, in terms of what we expect in the shorter cycle, this is the chart of the Nasdaq 45 minutes. All right, and we are looking for continuation higher here. You can see this one is 1 and 2. Okay, and then now we are within the wave 3, and within the wave 3 we are now in the process of forming wave 1 of 3. Okay, and so wave 1 of 3 is currently unfolding as a we are proposing it to be a 5 ways up, and then after that pullback, but the pullback should hold above here for another leg higher. Now of course there is another key risk event next week, which is the G20 meeting. Mr. Trump and Mr. Xi have already agreed to meet and talk about the trade war and trying to solve the differences. Now I'm not sure about uh, this event right here. I know that Trump is keen on trying to find a deal because he's worried about the re-election for the 2020. So I think for that reason, I think there is an opportunity for reopening of the negotiation, but I just don't know how long it takes, and whether it's gonna find any obstacles or not. And I mean, the best we can get from the next week is only the reopening of the talk again between the two countries. All right, so having said that, if you look at the Nasdaq here, let me go out and zoom out in the larger degree. This is the 4-hour chart. Now obviously, if I put the label here into the 4-hour, then this is your wave 1 here, is right here, and this is your wave 2 here. All right, and so in this count here, that means we are ready to explode on the upside, right? But the alternate, okay, this view here is going to have more validity if Nasdaq or any indices for that matter is able to break above this April and May peak, right? Just like the Dow as well, that the video that we had yesterday, right? So if it can break above that April and May peak, that will sort of increase the odds of the bullish view that okay, we're gonna open up more upside because of the like a high sequence from here, from this low in in late 2018. Okay, so as an alternate view, we can be looking for a 5 waves right here. Then once that 5 waves is finished, now instead of AP1 2 and then breaking to new high, instead of that we could have we can have an APC like this with a shortened C. Sometimes that happens, a short C that doesn't reach 100%. All right, and then fail to break this and then starts to turn lower again. So that is also another possibility, right? But again, if it can break above here, that will sort of give more assurance or give more validity of the bullish view in the indices. Now as of now, all we got here is the idea that yes, the cycle from here looks incomplete because it has not reached 100%, right? So in the shorter cycle, then as far as the pullback can stay above 74.21 right here, in the case of the Nasdaq, which is last week's low, okay, we can extend higher again. If you measure the 100% extension from this low right here, from June 4, you can see right here the 100% extension is going to give you a target towards 8,073 to the upside. All right. So, well, it remains to be seen, and whether the indices can break above this before the risk event or not also remains to be seen. Next week is the risk event, and until then, yeah, I will leave you with this view right now. And if you enjoy this video and would like to get regular update, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and we also have a lot of live sessions, live trading room analysis similar like this that can help you in your trading. And the link is going to be provided in the description of the video, and please like and subscribe this video if you enjoyed, and see you guys again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.